15 million people in the United Kingdom have received their first jab against the coronavirus just 2 months after the nation began its vaccination campaign. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson shared the good news via Twitter and called this achievement a significant milestone. Listen.
Reached a significant milestone in the United Kingdom's national vaccination programme. On the 8th of December, just after 6:30 in the morning, this country's first coronavirus jab was delivered safely into the arms of Margaret Keenan at University Hospital in Coventry. In the following 2 months, this country has achieved an extraordinary feat, administering a total of 15 million jabs into the arms of some of the most vulnerable people in the country. Those vaccines have been delivered in our NHS hospitals, in GP surgeries and high street pharmacies, in cathedrals, churches, mosques and temples, in community centres, and in living rooms in cities, towns and villages across England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. We've even delivered jabs in a fairground.
Britain's vaccine minister Nadhim Zahawi was the first to announce this achievement, celebrating the 15 million milestone. He tweeted that, "We will not rest till we offer the vaccine to the whole of phase 1 of the 1 to 9 categories of the most vulnerable, and all over the age of 50 by the end of April, and then all adults." The announcement came after earlier on Sunday, British Health Minister Matt Hancock said that the nation was on track to meet its pledge of offering a vaccine to all 4 priority groups by the 15th of February. So far, the vaccination program has been aimed at NHS frontline staff, care home residents and workers, and the people over the age of 70 and people deemed clinically extremely vulnerable. Britain hit the target a day earlier than expected. Now from Monday, the vaccine rollout will also include people over the age of 65 and then the clinically vulnerable. With infections and hospitalizations beginning to fall, Prime Minister Boris Johnson is under pressure to ease lockdown curbs. On Saturday, Boris Johnson said that he is optimistic and will be able to set out plans for a cautious easing of stay-at-home rules in England by late February. The COVID-induced lockdown has caused the biggest crash in UK's economic output in more than 300 years. Another key point that the Prime Minister mentioned was that reopening schools remains the British government's top priority. The UK hopes that students can return to their classrooms by the 8th of March. Britain has been Europe's hardest COVID-hit nation. It registered nearly 117,000 deaths since the onset of the pandemic.